Hello everyone, this is Sharif Abuzid with another video about opt-in pages, but this time I'll be creating a two-step opt-in page. And by a two-step opt-in page I mean that people will not see the email field in front of them. Once they click here, they will find this email field and they can add their name or their email here, and they click submit. They will be redirected into a thank you page just like this. Of course, you can upsell them here for any other products that you are selling. So let me quickly show you how you can do this. Now, the first step to design this two-step opt-in page is to install and activate a page builder plugin. And as usual, I will be using Kadence Plugins, which is my highly recommended page builder plugin. For this video, we need to use the Kadence Plugins Pro extension because we'll be using what's called the model widget, or the model widget, which will have this two-step button that I have shown you in the first part of this video. So let's go to the opt-in page and let's click the plus button and let's choose a row layout, and let's choose a two-step or two-column row layout, and let's add an image. This will be the image of the ebook itself. Let's select the image from our media library. I'll be using this one. No, this is a very large one. I'll be using this one. I'll click select. And for the width of the page, I will just make it, let's choose this one. Let's make it smaller and let's center align this here. And to add this like the headline, let's search for the text. I'll be using the text widget. I will copy the headline again. Let me copy it from here. I will add it here, and to have this like icon list, I'll be using the icon list widget. So let's click icon list here, and let's add the icon list. Let's take this part. So this is my icon list here. I'll just duplicate it to save the time of writing this, and let's make this like 4 icon lists. Because now this seems like crowded. I mean, there is minimal space between all of these icon lists. I'll just need to have or add a vertical spacing. So I'll choose the icon list here from the bottom of the page, and I will go to the style or the advanced actually, to the general tab, and for the list vertical spacing, I'll make this like 25 like this, and I will make the gap or the alignment of the icon here at the top. For the style, I will change the color of the icon, and I will make the icon list 25, and that's it. This is all what we need here. Now, to have this two-step opt-in effect or model, we need to choose the icon list and click here and click add after. Click the plus button and search for the model, and let's change or let's add the button content. So let's say yes. Let's remove this one. Let's remove the old or the default one. I would say yes. I want the free ebook. Let's make this like this, and let's add a dash here. Now here under the show model content, this is the model, this is the button content itself. If we go to the style tab and if we go to the link styling, this is where you can control the look and feel of the button itself. So for the background, I will choose this one, and for the link color, this is the text color, I will choose it to be white. I will remove the border, and I will add the icon here. So let's click here. I will choose the arrow icon. I will show the icon to the right of the screen, yes. And for the typography, I will increase the font size to be 25. Okay. And then I need to add a padding around the button itself. I will choose this to be, let's make this linked, and let's choose like 20 pixels. Yes, this looks fine. And let's align this to the left, and that's it. Now let's go to the hover again. Let's make this white. Let's make for the background, let's make this like this, and let's remove the border. Now the button is ready. Now we need to have our opt-in field, which is the email field. To add it, we need to click in show model content here, and let's say sign up below to access the ebook. Okay, and let's make this X large. You know what, let's convert this into a text. Let's fix this one. Let's make it center aligned. Let's make it large, or just large like this. And to have the email address field, we need to click the plus button here and search for what's called the advanced form. So let's go to the form, choose advanced form, and we can create a new form here and connect it with our email marketing platform. So just wait a second. This is the first step, is to choose a layout. I'll choose the subscribe layout. For the style, I'll just use the basic. I will stay 2-step. I will name this 2-step subscribe form. I'll just click create. To have this effect, I mean, if we would like to have the submit button below the name field itself, we need to choose the like the row layout of the model itself, of the form itself, and we can access it, because sometimes it's confusing to know which part you are accessing now. I'll just use this one, and I will go to the form. I'll choose the row layout, just expand the content of the sections and drag this at the top here. And for the row layout, I will make this 1 column only. Now, the last issue that we need to fix is to increase the padding between, or the margins between, the email field and the submit button. To do this, we need to choose the section, and let's make this medium like this. And let's click save, and let's make the page, it's disable the page title, disable the vertical spacing, disable the header, the footer, because usually for the opt-in pages you need to only ask the user to make one action only. And let's go to again to the row layout itself. Under advanced, for the structure settings, let's make this 100 pixel or 100% vertical height, so it will cover all the height of the page. I can see here there is a paragraph here. Let's remove it because this is an empty one. And the last step, I think, is that we need to connect the form. We forgot this. We need to connect the form with our email marketing platform. I'm using Fluent CRM, so I'll just click here. I will choose the form. Under the submit actions, I will just remove these and choose the action to be connecting this with Fluent CRM. Of course, you can connect it with MailChimp, MailerLite, and redirect the page into, if someone completes the form or opt-in for with their email, they can be redirected into a thank you page. So I choose Fluent CRM, and I will choose to redirect them into a thank you page. Here for the redirect settings, I have already created a thank you page, so I'll search for the thank you page. Yes, this is the thank you page. Fluent CRM, I will connect these to my leads list. I will choose the tags, the template or ebook download tag, and I will map this into the email field. I will click save. Now, everything should be ready now. All we need to do is to test it and see if this is working. So let's click here and see how the page looks like. Now we have this is crowded, and this is usual for the first time. We forgot to make the default width of the row according to the theme. So let's go to the page and let's choose the row layout, and the layout here, let's make this like default theme layout. Also, I noticed there is this border. I think we need to kind of remove it by going here. Let's go to style, and let's go to, there's something wrong with the border here. I forgot something. No. Okay, I will search for it at a later stage. So let's click save. Let's click refresh. And this is our opt-in page. If you like to make, we need to increase or decrease the size of this to make it look much better. So let's go here. I think we can just if we can control the width of the page, and if we can, you know, increase this like this, and if we have a spacing here, let's click save, and let's go here, let's click refresh. Now this looks better. Maybe we can just increase the padding here. Let's go here, let's go to the row layout and increase the padding, and let's make this aligned in the middle, and we are done. Let's just test it and see if someone opt in, they will be redirected into a thank you page. So let's click here, let's add email DYQ, and let's click submit, and let's see, yes, now we are redirected into the thank you page. If we go to Fluent CRM, go to the contacts page, we should be able to see the email. So let's see, yes, okay, this is the email that we have just added here. So this is how easy you can create an opt-in page like this. I know that it needs some, you know, maybe we need to make this looks much better, but this will take time, and I wanted to make this video very short as much as I can. Now, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.